underlined or crossed out. Or...
Oh, we have plenty of time. Wait, come back. What are you doing?
I'm just giving you the book.
You don't have to give it to me this second.
Oh my god! I got it. You didn't even see. You weren't even here.
You can borrow that book. I'm gonna do it again. Look, it has a picture of us inside of it. Do it again.
My friend's texting me.
Oh my god! You were gonna again!
Alright. It's hot. Did you know it's hot? It's probably because of all the cooking we're doing. Alright, so here's the plan. I'm gonna put this.
plan, dude.
I'm gonna put this in the fridge, and once we have all the ingredients, we can.
You mean tomorrow?
Yeah. Prepared. Because I don't have all the ingredients right now. And this does not really look like a pie crust. But we're gonna do it, Dad. We'll get it done. How many times have you heard that over the years? Alright, I think that's a pretty good spot to stop it. I think we got this. Ooh, you guys have bacon.